All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the mid-roof, long wheelbase T-250. It's beautiful white with the gray vinyl interior. 20,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice, power windows, power door locks, got backup camera, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Looks pretty good up to here. You got a dent, as you can see. Boom. A little cracking on that front bumper. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is at over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent here. 3-6 right here, about 6 inches. As you can see, a dent on the bottom. Likewise, 3, 6, 9, 12, only 10 inches. And then over here, a little bit more. Pretty much it. Let's check out these corners. Looks good. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys if I find the key. Yes, I got it. Oh, sorry. It does come with one key fob combo. And owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. You got your AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. Your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 20,609. And that pretty much completes the tour. Turn on the lights. Keep it moving. All right. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. This door does have a dent here. All right, as you can see it right there. And a little dent here on the driver's side rear barn door. Another dent there. Heavy scratch, no, that's a light scratch. All right, got a little button here. You push this, it opens these doors. Likewise on this side. Here's what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. You got your wheel moldings here. Got a little dent there on that side. This one looks good. Here's your rear, one of the doors right here. What that looks like. Very nice. So one of the other doors looks like. Looks good. All right, let's check out your roof. Let's see what that looks like. This is what your roof looks like. Looks pretty good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. All right, this quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. And your tire thread here is under 730 seconds. You got a dent here, another dent here, and another dent here, and one more over here. All right. So this looks like very nice. Side cargo area looks good. All right. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door. Front passenger steel wheel, tire thread, just at the line of 730 seconds. That pretty much completes the tour. Folks, once again, this is 2018 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 20,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.